Welcome to the post-match presentation. The Bengal Tigers have had an answer to every assignment that has come their way in CCL this season. Without further ado, let me introduce you to the post-match presentation party. We have Mr. Boni Kapoor, the owner of Bengal Tigers, with us. Welcome, sir. Mr. Rajkumar Sethupathi, owner Kerala Strikers. Mr. Raj Shah, co-owner Bengal Tigers. And Ms. Prachi Thailand, brand ambassador Kerala Strikers. Let's give away some silverware. We'll start with the entertainer of the match. I request Mr. Raj Shah to present the entertainer of the match, an award that we've introduced this season, to Shafiq, who is the heart of Chenda Medam. His dance is unparalleled. Shafiq, well done. Shafiq, the entertainer of the match, for those dance moves. Thank you, Shafiq, for all that entertainment. Thank you. Now moving on to the best batter. I request Ms. Prachi Thailand to give away this award for a crucial 46 towards the end, which allowed the Bengal Tigers to dream of 170 plus. It goes to Jishu, the best batter, Jishu Sengupta. I request Ms. Prachi Thailand to award Jishu Sengupta for the crucial 46. Thank you so much, Jishu. Now the best bowler. Remember, small ground. The dimensions are such that as a bowler you can get hit for a few runs. But someone who held his nerve and was magical with his wily left-arm orthodox. I request Mr. Rajkumar Sethupathi to give this award away to Vivek Gopan for 3 for 24. Not easy being a left-arm orthodox on this minuscule ground. But there he was, lion-hearted as always. Congratulations, Vivek Gopan. Well done, Vivek. Our next award is the Player of the Match award. I request Mr. Boni Kapoor to give away this wonderful glitzy trophy to Jamie for an all-round performance. Half century with the bat, 3 wickets when it mattered. Jamie, who held his nerve brilliantly, gets the Player of the Match award. What a performance to put his team through to the semis. Congratulations, Jamie. I request the winning skipper, Jishu Sengupta of Bengal Tigers, to have a few words with us, please. Jishu, if we can have you over here. Jishu, now you can afford to smile, you know? Jishu?
No, now we reach a point where I can't smile anymore. We have to be serious because we're being cracking jokes and having fun and doing whatnot. But now I think we should tell the boys that last year also we reached semi-finals and we lost it. But nevertheless, abhi bhi ek hafta time hai, so thoda fun kar lenge.
You know what your fans are asking? Your fans are asking, can we get something that is not a nail biter? Because you've been giving them heart attacks, but you're winning though.
I think it's the belief we have. It's the belief our boys have, and the belief they have in themselves. That is more important, I guess. If you believe in something and if you chase that, that happens. And we are seeing that, and that's what our coach tells us. You know, just believe in yourself and express yourself on the field. Have fun, whatever you're doing. So that's what we are doing, and we are winning the matches.
We often say Bengal Tigers is not a franchise. It's a family. Tell us a bit about Bappada and how he keeps you all motivated. It's a waste of a seat when you give it to him because he's always jumping.
Bappada is the backbone of our, the coach, Bappada, Shardindu Mukherjee, ex-Indian cricketer, and he has a lot of feathers in his cap, but what he is to us is our big brother. And he's always, if we are having fun without him, he gets angry. Okay. So that's like a big brother, coming in and having fun with us. And yes, at times to times, he take a step back and becomes the coach. Right. But I think this is a family, and we back each other up, and that's the reason whatever we are doing, and that's why we are here today.
Team is speaking at the right time, semi-final bound. Congratulations and all the very best for what is to come.
Thank you so much, and finger crossed.
Fingers crossed. Thank you so much, Jishu, for all the entertainment. Jishu Sengupta, the winning skipper of Bengal Tigers. That's all we got for you from the post-match presentation. Back to you, Combs.